95% of the companies are small and medium enterprises. So these companies have a problem in trying to survive in this current financial crisis. We think that in the region of Central Macedonia, it's very important to assist all these SMEs in order to do something different and try to become more competitive. So by promoting green manufacturing and circular economy principles is an important aspect for their development of all these SMEs. We believe it's of great importance because SMEs do not have the capacity and they don't have the resources in order to pursue this transformation in their organizations through themselves. As a region of Central Macedonia, we believe it's important to provide to all these SMEs some kind of support. So that's how the region is going to support all these companies in terms of green manufacturing and circular economy. We have established from 2017 an independent directorate in the region of Central Macedonia for supporting entrepreneurship and innovation. We have identified that these new ideas of green manufacturing and circular economy were not in the planning of our operational program. We found that this was a shortcoming of our program, and together with our local stakeholders, we believed that it's good in order to set up a permanent structure in the region that will support SMEs in becoming greener and using actions about circular economy. This one-stop shop, as we call it, is going to promote good practices in terms of circular economy, in terms of green manufacturing. It's going to be a liaison office among entrepreneurial ecosystem and educational ecosystem and the other research institutes, which will assist the SMEs in order to adapt circular economy principles and practices. So in our region, we believe that it's very important to make our SMEs greener and use this circular economy good practices.